This is my current gaming setup, and I'm going to be cleaning it and transforming it into this. So keep watching and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to get are these fans for my PC. It's a 6-pack of RGB fans. They have the infinity effect, so like in the middle of them they're infinity, and then on the sides it's also infinity, and they're only $36 for 6 of them. So I'll link these down below, but yeah. So I ordered them yesterday and I finally just got them today, so I'm just grabbing them off the porch and bringing them inside. Okay, so I just brought this in and now I'm going to unbox it, but first I need to clean up my setup because it has a bunch of trash and stuff on it. So let's do that first. Let's go. Okay, now that I got all the trash picked up and all the other little things, I'm picking up my mouse and keyboard. I'm cleaning off my keyboard right now, and then I'm just gonna clean off everything off my desk and wipe it down because there was a bunch of like stains and just dirt and just stuff all over it. Okay, so now I just unplugged everything from my PC and I'm going to be moving it over back to my desk, like my little work table. But first I'm going to unbox the new fans that I just got, so let's go do that. Okay, so it was a little hard to open, but I finally got it after a little bit of struggling. So I'll fast forward through the struggling and I'll show y'all once I get the box out. Okay, so I finally got them out. These fans, I'm really surprised with them. They actually look really good, and sadly they aren't the ones that you can just connect to each other. Like, you can connect all three. You have to connect them all like into this little bracket in the back, and it leads, all the cords lead to one little square. But it was pretty easy to set up. All I had to do was just plug them into that and then plug that into my motherboard and one of the cables in the back. Okay, but I will show you these, me unboxing them, and then we'll get straight to it. So let's go. Okay, so now I just unboxed those and I moved them over to my desk. Now I'm moving my PC over onto my mini work desk, and as you can see, I'm taking out those little hexagons. They're just little LED hexagons, and I'm just dusting out my PC. And then now I'm starting to take out these fans. So after I take out these fans, I will add in the new ones. And there's multiple reasons why I wanted these new fans. Number one, these old ones, I only had 3 LED ones and they just weren't really that good, and 2 of them matched and then 1 was a different one. So I just needed to get new fans, and these ones were on sale and they had a really good deal on them. It was like $36 for 6 fans, which is insane. But they look like the Lee fans that are like $90 for 3. So yeah, so don't forget, I'll link these down below in the description. But yeah. As you can see, the infinity thing on the inside of that fan, and that's on all of the sides of all the fans, and then it's also in that little middle part of all the fans. Okay, so this is the connector where it connects all of the fans together. There's the LED parts, and then there's also the fan parts. But yeah, and now I'm taking out these top 3 fans, and I'm replacing them with the first 3 that I took out, so I can have a little bit more LEDs in there, because the 3 that I took out were LEDs, but they just weren't the same as the new ones that I just bought. So I'm just gonna swap these out, and yeah. So I'm using this fan. I have 2 of these fans. I'm using this one, and then I'm putting a normal one without any LEDs in the middle, and then I'm putting the one that I'm putting in right now on the other side, the other one of it. So I'm putting 2 of those white ones in, and then that black one in the middle. Okay, so now after I just cleaned up everything, I'm putting my PC back onto my desk, and then I'm going to plug everything in, and we can see the final results. Okay, so the lights are off, and I'm just going to turn it on and see if it boots and see if the fans are working. The fans are spinning and the lights turn on. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and now I'm going to be putting everything back onto my desk and then adjusting all the lighting and everything, and then we'll see the final results. Okay, so now I'm just putting my mouse pad back onto my desk, and then I'm putting my mouse and my keyboard, and then I'm going to plug everything in. Okay, so another thing that I'm going to be changing is this chair. It's a little messed up, like this little part right here, but I'm going to be changing this just because it's an older chair. I just got like another office chair, but it's like way nicer, so let's go bring that down, and yeah. Okay, so I just got the chair down here. It looks a lot nicer than my other one, so I'm glad that it looks a lot nicer. And then I swapped out the mouse pad right there, but now let's see the final results. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.